Okay, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Microstrategy here. They reported earnings, not particularly good. They're basically blowing chunks on their enterprise software business, which, I mean, frankly, anybody who follows this company knows this. In fact, Michael Saylor has even said a while ago, I think he's mentioned it several times, he had to do something with his company because the enterprise software industry is essentially commoditized and they're just not making money. And if you look at the if you look at their earnings, if you look at their earnings profile, I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, you look at their earnings profile here. The green line with hash marks is earnings. You can see it's actually drifting lower. The reason this stock's coming out of here is because of Bitcoin. They own like 250,000 Bitcoin, which is substantially more than I own, and I'm happy. So Bitcoin is really the deal here with them. And so the company reports their earnings and boom, the stock trades lower. But here's what happens. So this goes down and down and down and down. And if you're watching this thing after hours, you're kind of freaking out a little bit. But then ultimately the stock reverses and comes back up. Now it's got some stasis right in between, I'd say 235 and 240, which is probably, though not guaranteed, probably where it'll open up tomorrow morning. I don't think you're going to see tomorrow the kind of volatility that you see in this now, because all the volatility is being wrung out of the stock. So if we just look at this on a line chart, this is what you see. You just see the stock chopping up and down right around using the 8-day moving average as support here. And the 8-day EMA right now is at 234.45. So where's the stock? Well, it's at 236, 237. So far, that 8-day EMA is holding. And so to be selling this stock tomorrow because, oh my gosh, you know, I was holding it, I thought they'd go up, but it went down. First of all, you're not really paid to think. You're paid to watch your process. I think we're good on this. And we've got Mystics here, which is now a 2 times or a double long ETF leverage. This also had one heck of a move to the downside. I was actually doing some video work showing my 59-minute traders how to trade after hours. And this gave a really, really clear picture of some really good after hours swings. And so I like the way this is trading. Actually, it would have been nice if it had gone up to $70, but for me, as long as it stays in this below 70 and above 40, I'm good because I'm short options on both of these. And so I'll be happy just to keep this stock, ride it and ride it and ride it for as long as it wants to stay here because the option premiums are awesome. So anyway, with respect to MicroStrategy tomorrow, just wait and see how it opens. But my sense is you're probably just going to see this thing drift around here for a while. I think the volatility's done. By the way, if you're not signed up for my 59-minute trading course for this Saturday, you may want to rethink that because it's a great course. I'm just actually finishing it up right now. And then we're going to get the workbook out to our students. And the workbook is a little bit over 300 pages. So you can imagine how detailed it is with a lot of charts. So if you're interested in that, you can just go to 59minutetrader.net. right here, 59minutetrader.net, and then you can get all the information you want. And that's all I have to say about that. Hope you're doing well. If you're not, then rethink yourself and then start doing well. Okay, I'll see you next time.